here we need to find the value of x, right? Here very simple one actually. This is very simple if you remember this theorem, right? Now think a and b on the circumference, no, on the circumference of circle, right? Here from this 2 point go to center like this, and from the same 2 point go to circumference like this, right? That means this is half of this, or you can tell this is twice of this, like this. Look, I will tell it again. From this same 2 point on the a and b go to circumference, from a and b go to center. When you have this type of situation, we can tell this angle is twice of this. That means here 30, then here should be 60, here 60, right? Try to understand. We have learned that theorem, then that's fact. Okay, then we learn another one, very simple idea. When you have two line parallel, we call corresponding angle, like letter f, this angle equal to this angle, like this way, right? If you have two line parallel, this angle equal to this angle. So here you can apply like that. This is the parallel line, this line, right? If I show you making that, this is the two line, and with the one line it touch that both parallel line cut with this line, so that means this angle must be equal to this angle, right? This is the normally we remember for letters for this, no, like f, these are the two side, what are the two length parallel, then this is the straight line touch that both parallel line, right? Now I make like f, you can see this must be equal to this, so that's why we can tell x equal 60 degree.